Hey there friends, this is Kurt Tashi, and welcome to my Ultimate AI Review and Bonuses video. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about a software that's going to replace all of your AI subscriptions for just for a one-time price. Okay, so no more subscriptions for AI tools. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about the product, we're going to go through the sales page, I'll talk about the bonuses I'm going to be offering, we're going to go through all the OTOs, and then I'm going to tell you how you can actually get everything in the entire funnel for one bundled up discount price, all right? Now, if anytime you want to check out Ultimate AI, just click the link in the description. It's going to take you to my bonus page. From there, you can actually go and check it out and pick out your product for yourself. So, here we are on the bonus page and on the sales page, and the product is launching tomorrow morning. Today's the 14th. It's launching on the 15th at 11 a.m. Eastern. There is going to be a 10 a.m. pre-launch webinar that you definitely want to be part of, okay? But this is in the sales page here. It says ditch 25 plus expensive monthly ad subscriptions. So, what this is going to do, this replaces all of those subscriptions. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we have here. We have replace 25 plus expensive AI tools, create scroll stopping visuals, create and deploy AI agents, launch conversion rating websites, present, sell, and teach like a pro. Write content that sells, drive traffic and sales, create and sell in 100 plus niches. Okay, 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so your purchase is absolutely secure. It's done through JV Zoo, so you know it's very secure. So with the front product, you're going to get a free commercial license with that. A lifetime account, one-time payment, and premium support. So say goodbye to all these expensive AI platform subscriptions. So instead of, for example, paying $20 a month for ChatGPT, $35 to $85 a month for Canva, $38 a month for Leonardo, Pageant, Synthesia, $49 to $60 a month, Gemini, $20 a month, Shopify, $39, all these different subscriptions. And you notice that that's not just AI stuff, it's other tools as well, like Shopify. Okay, replaces Adobe Premiere, Llama, Copilot, Midjourney, replaces Logo, Murph AI, Jasper, Stable Diffusion, DeepSeek, Palm 2, Claude, Hootsuite, okay? GitHub replaces Clean AI, Pageant, okay? The power of 25 plus AI tools right at your fingertips, right? Now, you want to see a demo, it's going to be a demo on my bonus page. Just click the link down below, you can check out the demo on that page. And it just, all what you're going to need here, check this out, you launch human-style baby-faced video podcast without ever going on camera, okay? This, creating an AI clone of yourself or anybody else for that matter is always very, very expensive. Okay, so it requires a lot of high monthly subscription to all these programs, these platforms. Promote video shorts and faceless reels. Okay, I love using AI for my shorts and for my content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, etc. This is look at all these examples right here, guys. I mean, come on, this is crazy. Human spokesperson AI avatar videos. All right. Again, usually very expensive. Here's some examples right here. Voice cloning and voiceovers. You got these different voices so I can actually turn on the desktop audio here for you. And see if I can actually get this to play for you. So here's one we can check out. I'm actually going to turn my speaker on a little quick so I can hear it. I normally have my headphones connected, so. Okay, let's see if we can hear this. Here's an example right here. Okay, I may not be able to play because
Welcome to Ultimate AI. Replace 25 plus expensive AI tools with one powerful platform.
Okay, so that's one example. Let's go to another example of the voice.
Welcome to Ultimate AI. Replace 25 plus expensive AI tools with one.
Okay, try one more.
Welcome to Ultimate AI. Replace 25 plus expensive AI tools with one powerful platform.
Okay, those are high quality voices, okay? And the voices like this, if you're using something like Web Labs, is going to cost you a high monthly subscription, right? So continue on. AI generated images, artwork, and stock photos. Check out all these examples right here. These are things you can do with Ultimate AI without paying for these high subscriptions, right? Design eye-catching graphics, banners, posts instantly. landing pages, websites. Okay, this is a game changer, especially those for affiliates and those of us who create products. This is a game changer. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars a month on ClickFunnels or using platforms like Wix, Kajabi, do it all from here. Do it all. Next, if you're a product creator or a product launcher or vendor, next time you want to launch a product, bam, use Ultimate AI. No more expensive ClickFunnels, etc. Okay, check these out. Check out these samples. Scroll stop into social media content. All right, check out these. This is just crazy. Seriously, look at this. Create posts, blog posts, etc. Okay, write high converting marketing content that sells. Smart AI workers, AI agents, AI employees. All right. Geez, check this out. All this. AI blog, email, sales copywriting. And in the past, I was paying just for my email writing. I was paying the $20 a month for ChatGPT Pro, and it still has limits. Okay, this is absolutely ridiculous right here. So one-time payment. Okay, now they're saying that these platforms are not great. In fact, they're very powerful. But if you're still growing money, you're probably already using some of them. But you're paying monthly for all these. Because if you're getting all these because really, each of these different platforms has their own strong points and weak points. So if you want to get everything you need for your business, you're gonna probably need to use all of these at one point. Okay, so you're paying $20 a month for ChatGPT, $20 for Gemini, $13 for Canva, Midjourney $30 a month, Synthesia $67, Hagen $49, 11 Labs $22, Clean AI $29. Again, these are all great platforms. I've used most of them myself. Llama $20, Logo $34, Wix $27, Shopify $39, Dolly $29, Stable Diffusion $20, Adobe Premiere $23 a month, Jasper $59 a month, Bright Sonic $19 a month. Okay, that's just a small sample of these platforms that are covered in Ultimate AI. Ultimate AI, $37 a month, one time. Okay, one time. Okay, so check this out. You're spending either $522.97 a month for all these platforms, which is over $6,000 a year, or one time $37 a month. One time payment, not monthly. One time payment, $37 for Ultimate AI, no fee, no monthly fees, unlimited access, 25 plus AI tools in one dashboard. All right. Alright, so again, no monthly subscriptions, blah, 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 all one-time price, right? 30-day money-back guarantee again, it's gonna, and I'm not gonna, you can both the sales page yourself here. I guarantee you're gonna want to read through this and see what all you're gonna get. So I'm just really basically skimming through here. Again, these are what you're paying for these tools right here by themselves. Monthly fees can add up. Okay, a lot of marketers, a lot of affiliates, a lot of product creators, we're all going for platforms where then we can get access for one-time price instead of having a subscription every month. Okay, because what happens? You start budgeting. Well, you start cutting back your subscriptions. Well, boom, one-time price. No need to cut it back. You've already paid for it for your life. Lifetime use. And demo video here. You can also see demo video on the bonus page. Okay. Alright, so now let's go ahead and talk about the OTOs, okay, the one-time offers, which you're trying to get. So again, I'm going to keep scrolling to the bottom of this page here. It's a very long sales page. Examples of what people have used, how people have used this. Some testimonials here, okay. And they're also giving you bonuses. Now, keep in mind, these bonuses that you see here are available from any affiliate. The ones right here. These are from the vendor. I decided to go above and beyond and give you some customized bonuses that I've created that you're going to get only if you purchase through my link. Right? So, first of all, these are bonuses that you get regardless of who's going to use. Okay. So you get live training. 0 to 10K a month, Ultimate AI. You get the 8-in-1 income engine. You get the Auto2 creative system, local biz AI client kit, digital product generator, the no skill freelance machine, creator content engine, AI agency in a box. Those are bonuses you're going to get as a customer of Ultimate AI. Okay? We're going to talk about my bonus here in a minute. Right now, let's go ahead and talk about the OTOs one-time offer. So the first OTO is the unlimited version. Okay, with this, you're going to remove all limitations to go unlimited supercharged business to get 100x more profits faster and easier with unlimited upgrade. So because of the fact that when you use because they're integrating with 50 different platforms, okay, and obviously you have to use credits for use of the API, so that does cost money. So your front-end product is not going to have the unlimited. It's going to have some limits to how much you can use. Okay, it's still as itself way better than spending money on all your platforms separately. However, if you want to go completely unlimited, then you definitely want to pick up the unlimited version, which is the first OTO. Okay, so no limits on that. See, and the price on that. And I have the price list on the bonus page because we'll go over that in a second. But here's all you can do. Again, you're simply removing limits that you would have had with the front end product. Okay, so you get unlimited credits, workspaces, video creation, AI spokesperson, etc. All unlimited, and that's for one-time price, one-time $197. Okay, now next OTO is the done-for-you setup. That will set up everything for you from AI video, podcast, facial drills, stunning graphics, voiceovers to complete websites and pages. They're going to do a complete setup for you, okay? All done for you. And again, if it's something you want to pick up, first, I'm the type that just likes to do it myself. But if you want or need help, you want something done for you, definitely go check this out. And that is a $97 one time, okay, for a done-for-you system. Next, you got the agency upgrade, okay? So you can white label and sell this as your own service, okay? And white label products are very popular and they're very useful for those who want to get into the product event, become a product vendor or creator, but don't have the technical skills or the budget to actually do it all from scratch. So you can get this in white label, Ultimate AI for yourself, sell as your own product. And the price on that is going to be $97. Okay. Now, we'll talk about the bonuses that I'm offering. But then after that, we're going to talk about how you can get everything at one price, everything in the funnel, and save money together. So, my bonuses that I'm offering for you today. Okay. First of all, keep in mind that as of right now, the launch is ending in about 4 days. Okay. Which means that when the launch ends, this bonus page is going to be taken out. So, keep that in mind. And again, it's launching Friday the 15th at 11 a.m. 10 a.m. that day is going to be a pre-launch webinar. Definitely want to be on that. Just go through the bonuses. There's a demo here of Ultimate AI. You can check that out. You can click any of these buttons anytime to pick up your copy. Bonus number 1 is a tutorial on how to use ChatGPT for content creation. It's a complete guide on how to use ChatGPT to create content. Next, you got bonus number 2 is how you using Canva and ChatGPT to create 200 social media posts within 10 minutes. Okay, so you need to get some content cranked out. This stuff is going to help you with that. Number 3. How to use ChatGPT for blog post content creation. This is a new course for 2025 on how to use ChatGPT to create blog posts that actually get ranked and get conversions. Okay? And then we have our 4th bonus is our ChatGPT masterclass that's changing content creation forever. This is a full masterclass on how to use ChatGPT to create content. Okay? And then our 5th bonus is something that everyone needs to learn is how to write prompts. So I've added this, how to write effective prompts for ChatGPT. It's a full tutorial video on how to do that. Because the more specific and the more detailed and the better your prompts are, the better your results are going to be. Right? So all those bonuses are going to be yours when you pick up Ultimate AI through my link. Now, let's talk about how to save money big time. Now, if you want to go through the entire funnel, okay, and pick up each product individually, okay, so you get 37, 197, so I'll say, let's say 237, 97, so 1, 2, 3, 4, say around $437 roughly for everything in the funnel, if you pick everything up. Instead of that, you could also, and this will be live on my bonus page tomorrow because it's the actual sales page, official sales page is not live yet for this because we have the webinar coming up. You're going to get everything with a bundle deal for a, what did I say, an 80% discount. Okay, now, first of all, let's go back to them. I want to make sure that we have this price right because sometimes these the sales page previews might not be correct. So we're going to make sure you go through here, make sure all the prices are correct. So, okay, so 37. It's got the front end product is going to go up $10 during launch. So 37 now, 187. Okay, so the prices are correct right now. So we have $400+ for the funnel. The bundle deal, okay, you're going to get all the products, everything. Every single upgrade, every single, all the OTOs, front-end product, etc., unlimited, etc., all of that, okay, for a one-time price. Let's go scroll down and see that price. So basically, this is designed just like the front end sales page. Okay. And just want to make sure you get down to where the price is. I don't believe it's actually. Where'd it go? Okay, this is a long sales page here, guys. So let's. Alright, so they say 80%. It's not. I don't think it's 80% because it's not 80%. It's well, if you base it on regular price, because the front of the funnel, the OTOs, everything, those are all at a discount price off what they're gonna have regular price as. Okay, so if you bought it at the regular price, which is after launch, you would be saving 80%. Right now, you're saving over $100. With the current launch price. So again, 37 for the front end product, you get the 197 unlimited, you get 97 for the fee of the agency. It's about $437 roughly, $435. So you're saving over $120 during launch. If you decide to come back and buy this later, the bundle probably will be gone. But if you could use it, you would actually save 80%. So you can also use this coupon code, and you're going to save $50 off. So now when you use the coupon code, it does, as I'm an affiliate, so it does take away some of my commission. No big deal. But if you would just do me a favor, when you do that, you please kind of do me a favor, since I'm doing that for you, please do me a favor, just do this video, like and share, and leave me a comment as well. You can subscribe to my channel if you would, please do so. This way I can make sure that you are notified whenever I release new review videos. And also hit the bell notification icon as well so you're not going to miss anything. But again, 80% off, regular price, $13, you're going to get everything together. So guys, that is my review of Ultimate AI. Please make sure you actually go in on the bonus page and check out that demo video, okay? That demo video is going to walk you through exactly how to use Ultimate AI and what you can do with it, okay? With that, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor and subscribe. And also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share and comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions about the product, or if you have any questions about any ways to make money online, or anything, or just want to say hi. Be perfect. With that, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.